Hi, it's Amy, and today we're going to encapsulate some Sehl product that we have in these nails and have a little smattering of foil. Enjoy! So to start, I've laid one layer of the Nude Pink Morning Glow on the nails to start and took off the sticky layer. So then we're going to go in with a layer of Builder in the Bottle, Clear as Day, and I'm going to do 2 fingers at a time here. So a nice thin layer. And then we're going to go in with our shells. I'm going to pick nice bright pink and the paler pink colours. And then with that, we're just going to random blobs of shell. Pop that in the lamp. We can move on to the second lot. This is a nice design to incorporate some of the other things that Neo do. You might think are a bit random. Pop that hand into cue it for me, and then we'll go in on the thumb. And pop that hand in. So when they've come out of the lamp, because as you can see they'll be a little bit lumpy bumpy, take some more Clear as Day Builder in a Bottle. I'm going to give them another layer, even out any lumps that we have after this we can smooth out with a file. Pop them ones in, we'll do thumb afterwards. Let that level off for a moment and pop that in the lamp. With some gel residue wipe off solution, take that tacky layer off, so we're just going to give it a little buff. And then I'm going to go over with a little bit of foil glue. It's a nice thin layer. Pop that in the lamp for 30 seconds. I'm going to use some of this rosy gold pink foil, and we're just going to ever so slightly dab very lightly. You could also do this if you had some gold leaf. You could put it in the layer with the shells and encapsulate it. That would be quite nice. I wanted to go with a pinky theme. And then once you've done that and you're happy with it, pop your foil back and go over with the Urban Graffiti top coat to seal that all in. Pop that in the lamp for 60 seconds. So when they come out the lamp, let them settle for a few seconds to cool down, and then we're going to go in obviously with Cuticle Oil Pink Pineapple, because you've guessed it, it's my fave, and just rehydrate those cuticles. So there you have it, a nice simple look encapsulating some of the Sehl product that they sell at Neo, and a little bit of foil. If you've liked this video, all the products that we've used will be in the description box below, and feel free to give us a like and drop us a message. Bye!